Hello kids, hope you all are fine and studying well at home. Kids, in today's session, we are going to revise grammar topics A and N and this, that, these and those. First, let's start with A and N. Grammar topic A and N. Kids, A and N are called articles. We use A and N when we talk about one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. Kids, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, out of which 5 letters are special. They are A, E, I, O, U. Letters A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. The other letters in the alphabet are called consonants. Kids, we use N before naming words that begin with vowel sounds. Means जब कोई भी word vowel sound A, E, I, O, U से start होता है तो हम उसके आगे N यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल an orange, an ink pot, an aeroplane, an umbrella. Kids, you can see N is used before these words because they begin with vowel sounds. O, I, A, U are vowels. So, N is used before these words. Kids, we use A before naming words that begin with consonant sounds. Means, जब कोई भी word consonant sound से start होता है तो हम उसके आगे A यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ टाइगर, अ चेयर, अ sharpener, a book. Kids, you can see A is used before these words because they start with consonant sounds. T, C, S, B are consonants. So, A is used before these words. Kids, now let us do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Kids, before we start, tell me what we use before vowels? A or N? Yes, N. And before consonants? Yes, A. Now let's start. Number 1. Dash APPLE apple. So kids, the word apple starts with A and A is a vowel. So tell me what we use before vowels? Yes, very good. N. So we will write N. An apple. Now number 2. BOW, bow. Kids, the word bow begins with B and B is a consonant. So what we use before consonants? A or N? Yes, A. So we will write A. A bow. Now number 3. Dash Girl, girl. The word starts with G. G is a vowel or consonant? Yes, consonant. So we will write A girl. Number 4. Dash Kite, kite. The word begins with K. K is a consonant. So we will write A kite. Number 5. Dash EGG, egg. Here the word starts with E. E is a vowel. So we will write N. Egg. Number 6. Dash oak, pus, octopus. Kids, the word octopus starts with letter O, and O is a vowel. So we will write N, octopus. Kids, now let's move to the next exercise. Use A or N to complete the sentences. Number 1. Kia saw dash tiger at the zoo. Kids, we have to see the first letter after dash. Tell me which is the first letter after dash? Yes, T. And T is a consonant. Kids, what we use before consonants? A or N? Very good, A. So we will write A. Kia saw a tiger at the zoo. Number 2. It is dash and hill. Kids, which is the first letter after dash? Yes, A. And A is a vowel. So we will write N. It is an ant hill. Number 3. I have dash red pen. Kids, now tell me which is the first letter after dash? Yes, R. And R is a consonant. So we will write A. I have a red pen. Now let's move to the next grammar topic. This, that, these and those. Kids, do you remember when to use this and that? We use this when we talk about one thing that is near to us. जब कोई भी एक चीज़ हमारे नज़दीक हो, मीन्स पास में हो, तो हम this यूज़ करते हैं. Kids, you can see there is only one ball and it is near to me. So I will say this is a ball. Let's take one more example. This is an umbrella. Kids, there is only one umbrella and it is near to me. So I will say this is an umbrella. Kids, we use that when we talk about one thing that is far away from us. जब कोई भी एक चीज हमसे दूर हो तो हम that यूज करते हैं. Kids, you can see there is only one ball and it is far from me. मुझसे दूर है, right? So I will say that is a ball. Kids, now let's take one more example. That is a tree. Kids, only one tree is there and it is far from me. मुझसे दूर है. So I will say that is a tree. So kids, this is used for one thing near to us and that is used for one thing far away from us. Now let's see when we use these and those. Kids, we use these when we talk about things that are near to us. Means अगर कोई भी चीज एक से ज्यादा हो और हमारे नजदीक हो तो हम these यूज करते हैं. Kids, you can see there are 3 balls. Means more than one, right? And they are near to me. So I will say these are balls. Now let's take one more example. These are flowers. Kids, you can see more than one flower, right? एक से ज्यादा है और near है means नजदीक है. So I will say these are flowers. Kids, we use those when we talk about things that are far away from us. There are 3 balls and they are far from me. So I will say those are balls. Now let's take one more example. Those are birds. Kids, you can see 3 birds are there. Means एक से ज़्यादा है. More than one, right? And they are far from me. So I will say those are birds. So kids, these is used for things near to us and those is used for things far away from us. Kids, now let us do the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Kids, now you all know that we use this and that for one thing and we use these and those for more than one thing. So now let's start. Number 1. Dash bracket this slash those is my hat. Kids, you can see there is only one hat and it is near. So what will come? This or those? Yes, this. Because we use this when we talk about one thing that is near to us. So we will write this. This is my hat. Number 2. Dash bracket these slash those are flowers. Kids, you can see more than one flower, right? And they are far. So what will come? These or those? Yes, those. Because we use those when we talk about things that are far from us. So we will write those. Those are flowers. Number 3. Dash bracket this slash that is my school. Kids, very easy. Come on, say what will come. This or that? Yes, that. Because the school is far from me. So we will write that. That is my school. Now number 4. Dash bracket that slash these are my kites. Kids, there are many kites and they are near. So what will come? That or these? Yes, these. So we will write these. These are my kites. Kids, now you have to practice exercises of A and N and this, that, these and those from the textbook. Kids, for more practice in grammar, keep solving the worksheets which were given to you earlier. Now, homework time. Kids, your homework is you have to fill in the blanks with A or N. Bye kids. Have a good day.